My name is Andrew, and this is Rogue Wrenching. Welcome back to the channel. We are here in my very dark garage to do some lighting upgrades. This house just has the original light that was installed when the house was built, and frankly, it sucks, as you just saw. So we are going to show you what can be done to upgrade this system. The one light that came with this garage is not really bright enough to be productive with. It's enough that you can see your car to get into it so you can drive out of the garage, but that's about it. So I'm gonna upgrade this today to some actual lighting that will work, and it's gonna be great. Since I'm working with a tight budget, I'm only going to light basically half the garage today, and then we'll light the rest of it later on when I can afford to do so. So this is kind of a budget way of lighting up half the garage, but as you'll see, this is gonna add way more light to the entire garage than we started with. But this isn't the finished product, but this is just kind of the step one upgrade to the garage lighting. Step one of any electrical project is to make sure that your power is turned off to the item you're working with. So in this case, that's the lighting receptacle. So I just kicked off the breaker, the switch is physically on, and as you can see, the light is off. Simply grab it, rotate it, and down it comes. 2 wires in here. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and unhook it. So we're gonna take all the wires off, pull the actual light fixture out, and then we'll go ahead and take the existing plate off and then install our new plate for our outlet. Because what we're doing is we're gonna put an outlet in where we can plug in auxiliary LED lighting. Next, we're going to unscrew the mounting plate for the fixture using our Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to need an outlet adapter plate, and an outlet cover. Okay, now we've got this outlet here. Pretty straightforward, easy to do. So, all right, green screw on the bottom left there is going to be your ground screw. Our hot's going to come in on the top here, so that's going to be our black wire, and then our white goes in the bottom, and that, see how that screw is kind of more of a shiny white, and that one's gold. So that side's hot, that side's neutral, and that's your ground. So because of the way this plate mounts to this, how this is mounting to the plate instead of the other way around, I'm going to go ahead and take these screws out and mount them to the plate before we put it together. Okay, so what I've done here is I've gone ahead and set my outlet into the plate, and then we're gonna go ahead and wire the outlet up, attach the outlet to the ceiling, and then put on our little cover. Okay, so now we've gone from a single light fixture to a single outlet. So now all we gotta do is hang our lights. Okay, so it looks kind of goofy, but it gets the job done. We did break the unbreakable plastic cover, but I guess that's what we get for spending 36 cents on it. Okay, so now that we have the receptacle up, it's time to install our new shop lights. These are Fiat Electric, not a sponsor, yet. From Costco, these are about 20 bucks each on sale. So let's put them up and see how they do. This is what $55 worth of lights and hardware and miscellaneous stuff buys you. My garage is not really big. However, with these new lights, now it's actually usable space because I can see to work in it even after the sun goes down. If you guys liked this video or found it helpful in any way, if you consider giving us a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, because we're giving away $100 to a subscriber. There's a video right here on how you can do that. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.